Daddy. Oh no, don't drift off into sleepy land. Yeah. Oh, bless you. Oh. Oh, you gonna sneeze again? You gonna sneeze again? Bailey. Don't eat her. She's not a stuffed toy. You can't chew her and carry her around like you do. Where's your rug?
Don't let her lick her though. He's been in the toilet. Okay.
Steve and Emma's first feeding. Let's see. March 4th, 2:37. Oh, Emma's getting her first little bottle from Daddy. And she looks happy.
Smile for the camera, Emma.
Oh, good job, everybody.
We love Emma.